Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Oppo Reno 12F 5G. Let's see what this phone brings to the table, especially when compared to its predecessor, the Reno 11F. First up, let's talk about that gorgeous display. The Reno 12F boasts a massive 6.67-inch AMOLED panel, offering a billion vibrant colors to bring your content to life. And gamers rejoice, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, ultra-responsive gameplay. Bonus points for the impressive peak brightness of 1400 nits, making outdoor viewing a breeze. Moving on to the sound department, Oppo has equipped the Reno 12F with dual stereo speakers. This promises an immersive audio experience, whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or catching up on the latest movies. Now, let's address the battery situation. The phone retains the hefty 5000 mAh battery from its predecessor, ensuring you can stay powered up all day long. There's a slight shift in charging speeds, though. While the Reno 11F offered 6-7W fast charging, the 12F uses VOOC charging at a slightly slower rate. Don't worry, the difference in charging time is minimal. Performance-wise, things get interesting. The Reno 12F packs the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. Built on a 6nm process, it should deliver performance similar to the Reno 11F. Benchmarks suggest AnTuTu scores hovering around the 600,000 mark. There's a small downgrade in storage technology, however, with UFS 2.1 replacing UFS 3.0 onto the camera system. And we see Oppo sticking with a familiar setup. The main camera rocks a 50MP sensor, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP macro camera for close-up shots. The 32MP front camera is perfect for capturing those selfies and crisp video calls, while 4K video recording at 30fps is expected on the rear camera. Official confirmation regarding the front camera's video capabilities is still pending. Alright, here's where you come in. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the design changes between the Reno 11F and 12F. Let us know in the comments below. Overall, the Oppo Reno 12F 5G seems to offer a balanced mix of upgrades and minor downgrades compared to its predecessor. It maintains similar performance while boasting a brighter display and keeping the massive 5000 mAh battery. Stay tuned for our in-depth review where we'll put the Reno 12F 5G through its paces. And as always, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content.